In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter NSOs in Turbotax. Navigating through tax filings can sometimes be a daunting task, especially when it comes to handling nuanced entries like non-statutory stock options or NSOs. But with Turbotax, the process can be straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through every step. First, what you need to do is head over to the Turbotax official website. Using a trusted browser, type in the URL turbotax.intuit.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, look towards the top of the page where you'll see the sign in option prominently displayed. Click on this to open the login page. After clicking sign in, go ahead and enter your credentials. If you haven't already created an account, take a moment to do so. It's important to use a secure password to protect your private information. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Turbotax home. This is your hub, and from here everything starts to come together. Next, you'll want to navigate to the section labelled Federal. This section is specifically for your federal tax filings, so click on Federal to proceed. You'll now see various categories relating to different aspects of your taxable income, and you'll want to select wages and income. This is a crucial step because it's here that we will start entering our stock options information. Once you've clicked into wages and income, scroll down until you find a section marked stock options. Take a deep breath. This is where your initial preparation really pays off. Check to make sure you have all the details of your stock options handy, including documents from your employer or brokerage. Being organized will make this process smoother. In the stock options section, you should now move to investments and savings. Here you'll find a button labelled Start, indicating the beginning of the input for stock related information. Click on Start and you will then see prompts guiding you through entering your stock options, including necessary details like option grants, sales, and any income adjustments. To accurately report your NSOs and ensure compliance, Turbotax might prompt you to upgrade to a more comprehensive version of their service. This upgrade provides you with more specialized tax guidance and tools, ensuring you don't miss out on any critical elements. Consider this option seriously, as it can greatly enhance the accuracy of your tax filings. And there you have it, a clear path to entering your NSOs in Turbotax. Remember to save your work frequently to avoid any losses due to unforeseen technical issues. If you find yourself stuck at any point, Turbotax's inbuilt support is a great resource for additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has demystified the process for you.